Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Nykaa haul. So there was a sale in Nykaa recently, so I have got a lot of products. So let's do a review quickly one by one what I have got from the Nykaa. Here is the first one. I got this Nykaa Skin Potion. Is the anti-pollution facial oil. So I got this in some discount. So yeah, this is the black variant. So this is the first product. The second being I got Vaseline Water Gel. These are the newly launched products by Vaseline. So this is in their rose water gel. It's 200 grams. This was not in any discount, so I paid 250 rupees for this. This is the second product. I got another variant in the same water gel from Vaseline, that is the lavender gel. So basically these are body gels. This is also for 250 rupees for 200 grams. So this is the third one. And I got a Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. So this is a bigger pack. So I had some discount on this. So you can use this as a oil replacement, as a serum, as a conditioner, and as a heat protectant. So yeah, I had a smaller pack of this. So once it was finished, I had to order a bigger one. So I have used this already. So this is my second purchase. Yeah, it's really good. You must give it a try. And the next product in the hair category, I got this Biolage Hair Serum, Deep Smoothening Serum. I don't remember if this had any discount, but this is priced at 300 rupees and has a shelf life of around 4 years. Yeah, again this is a really good serum. I have used it once. Yeah, so that's the another product. And I got a body lotion from Pond's, that is in the variant Juliet Rose. I think this is a new launch by Pond's. It's 85 rupees for 100 ml quantity. Yeah, again this is a good product. I have used it once. It smells just like rose. I really like it. And the next one I got in a fragrance or a body mist, you can say. This is the Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender. So this is their fragrance mist. This had some discount. I don't remember the price. It's of 200 ml quantity. Yeah, and this smells really good. It's really good. And yeah, I think you can definitely give this a try. Yeah, so that's one more thing. And I got one makeup product from the Swiss Beauty, and that's their newly launched HD matte lipstick, and this is in the variant Choco Lava. Yeah, in the shade 11. So yeah, it's a complete new pack. So this is priced at, I believe, 299 rupees. It had no discount. Yeah, and I got some eyelashes this time. So all are by Nykaa. This is again Nykaa lash. Let me see if it has got some variant. Not able to find that. I think it's a real deal. It's 200 rupees or 199 rupees, but I had some discount on this. So I'm not very sure if there is any discount on this. Yeah, it's this natural length plus natural volume. So this is one eyelash. The other two are really good. Those are like very natural, and yeah, I'm looking forward to use this. And this is the OG natural volume. So yeah, these were priced at individually, I think 150 or 170 rupees in the discount. And there's one more. This is again natural length, keeping it real. Yeah, so since I got all of these products, I got a free gift from Nykaa, and that is their Nykaa Naturals Tea Tree and Neem Purifying Face Wash. I have already have one of this. So yeah, thank you Nykaa for giving this. So all of these products, guys, I have purchased it with my own money. So do let me know if you're actually looking out for any more haul videos or any product reviews. I would love to do a product review. So these are the products that I have received from Nykaa. I have purchased all of these products with my own money. Do share, like, comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy, stay safe. I hope you like this video and come back to my channel once again. Thank you. Bye bye.